Hello students, continue with our last lecture. Today we are studying our third method of Carl Pearson shortcut method, or you may say UV method. So starts our new method. The name is shortcut method or UV method. Here I write down x and y. The number of x is 50, 55, 55, 60, 65, 65, 65, 60, 60, and last 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. By 11, 13, 14, 16, 16, 15, 15, 14, 13, and 13. See the students, regular we have take first xy and y, x total and y column total. Here the total of x column is 585 and the total of y column is 140. Second steps, x bar and y bar. X bar is equal to sigma x upon n and y bar is equal to sigma y upon n. Here sigma x is 585 upon total number of factor is 10. Then the sigma x bar is 58.5 and sigma y, the total is 140 upon 10. Y bar is 14. Now the term of our sum is the number of x bar and y bar digit. Here the 58.5 is incomplete number and y bar is complete number. As we said the last lecture, whenever the number of x and y bar is incomplete number, we can directly go through two methods. One is xy method and second is shortcut UV method. Here one clue is given. The focus of the clue is the number of x and y factor. In xy method, the factor of x and y is under 40, and here the method of shortcut UV method, the factor of x and y more than 40. Let's see the number of x. All the factors is more than 40. Then and then we can do the method of shortcut. Now I written down the formula of shortcut. R is equal to n sigma UV minus sigma U sigma V upon n sigma U square minus sigma U whole square under root and sigma V square minus sigma V whole square root. Now we continue with our calculation. First of all, we can find U. U means assumed mean. Here the assumed mean formula is H minus A. Here A is assumed mean. Same as V is equal to y minus b. Here b is assumed mean from a y column. After that u v column and u square and v square. Now continue with our u. Here we calculate the u from a x column. In simple way, if you do not take any steps, then and there, assuming choose in x column is lowest number. Here the x column lowest number is a 50. Now the 50 put in u is equal to x means 50. Here the a is also 15. Lowest number is our a. Now x minus a is equal to 50, then 0. 55 minus 50, 5. 10, 15, 10, and 0. The total of u is 85. Now same as we calculate the v column. Here the b is smallest number from y. Here the smallest number is 11. Make the box and write down the b. Here 11 minus 11 is equal to 0. 2, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 2. The total of v is 30. Now the fifth column is u into v, means u and v new multiplication. 0 into 0 is equal to 0. 5 multiplied to 10. 5 multiplied 3, 15. 10 multiplied 5, 15. 15 multiplied 5, 75. 15 multiplied 4, 60. 15 multiplied 4, 60. 10 multiplied 3, 30. 10 multiplied 2, 20. And 0 multiplied to 0. The total of uv is equal to 320. Now the u square, the u column square, 0 square 0, 5, 25, 5, 25, 10, 100, 15, 2 to 5, 15, 2 to 5, 15, 2 to 5, 10, 100, 10, 100, and last is 0. Square of u column is 1025, and last v square here 0, 4, 9, 25, 25, 16, 9, 4 and 4. The total of v square is 112. Now our calculation is completely over. All the details of UV method is completely calculated here. Now the details put into a formula. Start. A is equal to total number of factors is 10. Column of UV column, the total is 320 minus sigma u 85 and sigma v is 30. 85 and 30 upon 10 sigma u square is 1025. 1025 minus u square means 85 square. 85 square root into 10 multiply sigma v square 112 minus v square is 30 square. Now 10 multiplied 320 is equal to 3200 minus 85 multiplied 30 is equal to 2250. Sorry, 2550 upon 10250 minus 85 square is equal to 7225 under root multiply 1120 minus 900. Here 3200 and minus 2550 is equal to 650 upon here the difference between 2 is 3025 and the difference between here is 220. Now 650, the root of both is 3025 is a 55 and 220 is equal to 14.83. Now 650 upon multiplication of 55 into 14.83 is 815.83. The divide 650 upon 850 is equal to 0.7968. Arranged 0.80. Here 0.80 in 2 digits. Compare for it. Here the 0.79 after 2 digits more than 5 you can 1 added in before number. Let's write the 0.80. Thank you.